How to add search bar in Shopify header. To do this, we have to go to our search bar here up on top because we want to go to the App Store, and you want to type in search bar, and that will bring us to the store. And then you want to go for this one, which says Rapid AI Search Bar and Filter. This is the app I recommend. I have already have it installed, so it says open app for me, but for you it might say install app, so you're just gonna go ahead and follow the steps and install the app, and then it will take you to this window. It might have to set up some things before that, but if you follow the steps, you will come to this window here. And what you want to do next is we go to settings, and from here we go to design, and now we can change the design of our search bar. We can change the color of the price hover, the item hover, the original price hover, and so on. Here you can change the different colors for the product title and so on, the different batch colors, whether something is in stock or not, and the sticky widget colors. So that's how you do it. That's how you add a search bar in Shopify header. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.